Today we will be reviewing the removal and installation process for the HP P3010 P3015 maintenance kit, part number CE525-67901 with the fuser, part being RM1-6274, and we will use the P3015 device for our demo today. And I will leave the kit contents in the description below the blog post or the video of the itemized breakdown of the maintenance kit. So the number of rollers, part numbers, and set pads that are found in the maintenance kit. So we'll start this procedure today by making sure the printer is off and unplugged for at least 15 minutes, and we're going to approach it from the front. Pull down the toner access door. We're going to remove the transfer roller assembly. You may need tweezers for this. There's two clips on both sides, the left and the right of the transfer roller. And you'll just pinch them together and lift slightly up on the transfer roller. And we'll show you that. You could see the clips, and they're spring-loaded, both on the left and the right. And reverse the procedure to reinstall your new roller. Moving on, we're going to pinch the two clips together on this roller, and it slides off towards the front. We're going to angle the cradle and then shift it off to the right to expose the separation pad below it. Remove that and reverse it to install. Bring back the cradle to the center. Reinstall the roller. Remove the paper tray. I'm going to we're going to move the set pad first. With Phillips head screwdriver, two screws, pull straight up, and reverse it to reinstall. Remove the paper tray. Tilt the printer on its back side to expose the pickup roller beneath it. And reverse the procedure to reinstall. Okay, we're going to tilt the printer back up. Spin it around to the back side. Pull down the rear access door. Remove it. And that exposes 2 Phillips head screws on either side. Now that whole tray back piece should easily come off. Exposing the fuser. There should be 3 fuser connectors, 2 on the left, 1 on the right, and then 4 Phillips head screws. Now fusers pull straight back, and reverse the procedure to reinstall, making sure the connectors come up and over. Okay, a couple of repair notes on this. There is no page count reset procedure. So you'll just do the maintenance kit procedure and you'll be ready to go. The page yield on these is recommended about 150,000 pages, depending on your print yield, but right around 150,000. And fuser and kit is available in a number of different ways here at Metrofuser. And the replacement procedure is complete. So if you'd like to see more of these videos, please hit like and subscribe to our channel, and visit us online at metrofuser.com. Thanks.